Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.48 trillion. We are up 0.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 37.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are starting to see some mild red across the board within the space, but overall we are doing quite well compared to the previous week. That we did see that bloodbath across the cryptocurrency board. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the Vechain price right now, guys, you guys can see we are currently trading at 0.093 cents. We're up 1.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 2.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $6.18 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $419 million. Our overall crypto ranking is currently at top 32, so we're ranked at the top 32 spot in cryptocurrency market ranking. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 465%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices for VeChain. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff. But before I begin, I just wanted to share you this one thing, the Fear and Greed Index, guys. You guys can see the Fear and Greed Index is currently sitting at 29. And there is, you know, there is quite a bit of fear across the board right now because obviously you guys know what has been happening with the Bitcoin price, and you guys know Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire market. When Bitcoin goes down, the entire market does tend to follow, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now happen. But we will get into that as well. But let's get right into the VeChain charts right now and see what's going on and where could we be going in the immediate short term. Alright, my VeChain family, you guys want to watch this video till the absolute end. So if we're looking at VeChain's price right now, guys, you guys can see another day has passed by where we have been sitting still in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level below this level of resistance that I have been talking about that I need VeChain to break above. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 days since we have been trading sideways below this level of resistance and around this price. So I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on with my whoa. So as you guys can see, we are seeing Bitcoin having more downwards momentum occur within its price right now as we speak. And Bitcoin is still in the danger zone, as I have mentioned to you guys. But despite this fact, guys, we are seeing VeChain not being impacted more. We have not seen it break below to this 8 cents mark. We have been trading sideways around this mark, so that's something nice to see. But by no means am I saying there's not a chance for us to go back down to this level, because right now we need to be monitoring the Bitcoin situation very closely. Let's look at Bitcoin first, and then we will go look into the VeChain's price. As you guys can see, Bitcoin went all the way up to $51,916 just 2 days ago, and but since then we have dropped below that $50,000 mark once again. We're currently sitting at $49,724, guys. And as I have mentioned to you guys, that we're still not out of the woods just yet, guys. We're still not out of the woods just yet, because you guys can see I have said this, that my confirmation where I would be able to feel safe that the market bottom has occurred and we're really starting to see an upward trend for Bitcoin happen once again would be at that $59,000 mark, and most importantly at that $60,265. But right now we're currently sitting below $50,000, and we're definitely not out of the woods just yet. And if you guys can see, we are creating this specific pattern right now. You guys can see, if you know what I mean. So is there possible for us to break down further down and revisit these prices, maybe have a double bottom occur? Definitely a possibility. I'm not saying that, I'm not ruling that out. That's definitely a possibility, because at the end of the day, guys, I know you guys don't like looking at the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin, like what's Bitcoin doing and all that good stuff. But at the end of the day, guys, if you like it or love it, if you love it or hate it, if you love it or hate it, guys, Bitcoin at the end of the day is the king of the markets, and these markets are unregulated, and you never know when the market can take a correction because whales can manipulate the markets. But in that time around, guys, you do not want to be getting shaken out. I cannot stress this enough. So when it comes down to Vechain, considering the factors I have mentioned right now, let's say Bitcoin were to go back up to that $52,000 and start heading back into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is around that $54,500 mark. If we get back into this zone, great. But again, the exciting level is at the $59,000 for myself. And then I could easily see Vechain go back into the 61.8, guys. So I could definitely see Vechain go back and shoot up very, very fast to that 61.8. But right now, we need to also key in that factor that there is still a potential for us to fall towards the downside and possibly see a double bottom. If that were to occur, guys, we could definitely revisit these prices at that 0.07 cent. If you were waiting, as I have mentioned, if you were waiting to buy up the dip, guys, and dollar cost average in, you might want to put buy orders in around that price range just in case you might get lucky. But again, by no means am I promising anything. This is just my own personal opinion, guys, not financial advice. But I do definitely see that there is the potential of that occurring, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is still sitting at some crucial price points right now. What we would like at a Crypto ZX channel is for Bitcoin to go above that $52,000 mark, especially 59K, and then we would be looking, nice in that end. But for long-term perspective, guys, I sound like a broken record at this point for you guys, but you guys already know Vechain is doing big things across the board, and the time is going to come. Yes, I know a lot of people have lost their patience. We've seen altcoins go absolutely insane, some of them, but we still can't forget that Vechain is still up 500% from the last year alone, guys. So we cannot forget that. And this is cryptocurrency, guys. You never know when the time is gonna come. You just never know. But like I had mentioned, if you're new coming into the markets, guys, you always want to invest what you can afford to lose, and I cannot stress this enough, and always do your own due diligence. If you have done that, patience is your number one key to follow. Look at Matic, for example. Matic had a crazy price correction occur for its price when we saw this initial price drop. And we saw a lot of FUD coming in Matic along with the entire cryptocurrency market. Everyone was talking crap about cryptocurrencies, oh, this, that, all that good stuff, guys. But there were some people that believed in the projects, and they were picking up the projects at the cheaper price, and now what are they doing? They are doing quite well, and that goes to show what patience will get you. Vechain, without a doubt, is by far one of the most, if not the most, undervalued crypto asset in my personal opinion, due to the fact that what they are doing, what they're solving, and with the companies that they're working with, guys, that speaks a lot. And right now, a lot of people, I believe, are sleeping on it because of the overall metaverse, along with meme coin mania that is going on, that is really taking a lot of attention from projects with real use case like Vechain. But I'm telling you guys, that time is coming. It might not happen tomorrow, it might not happen next week, but that time is definitely coming. And we need to be monitoring the Bitcoin price every day, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is the leading indicator. Bitcoin invalidates everything if Bitcoin goes towards the downside. I still expect Vechain to have a breakout if we do see Bitcoin recover back into this range. And one thing to also keep in mind is that it's not only Vechain that's down, guys. Please, a lot of people tend to forget this aspect, guys. It's not only Vechain that's down. It's literally the entire cryptocurrency market. It's literally 99% of the market that is down right now. But that's just something that we have to understand, that it's Bitcoin, and we need to be monitoring the Bitcoin situation very closely. We can't do much about that. But right now, my specific price target right now for Vechain is still around this. This is where I would like Vechain to be hovering around at that 13.8 cents mark above here. But right now, we still need to be monitoring the BTC situation very closely, and I will keep you guys updated if anything changes. But with that being said, guys, this is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and where you could see Vechain price go at the end of this year. And you know what? I am willing to give a $200 worth of Vechain to one lucky winner, guys. I'm trying to give this away to you guys, but you guys need to reach the likes. We need to reach 400 likes within the next 24 hours after this video is uploaded. If we're able to reach 400 likes, within that 24-hour range, then one lucky winner walks away with $200 worth of Vechain. From my behalf, as a token of appreciation for all the support that you guys show me. I love each and every one of you guys. Like, always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. I love you all. Keep supporting me, and this is just the absolute start for our channel. And stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. Only way to enter the contest is, we need to reach 400 likes, so you need to like the video, comment, and subscribe. That's literally all you need to do. And if we're able to reach 400 likes, one lucky winner will walk away with $200 worth of Vechain. But with that being said, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.